Hello everyone, this is Andrew and we are back with another not so happy video about the server stuff. If you watched my previous video, there was a server that died. And here it is. Sorry for the mess. Dust just came today. The replacement barebone. There's only motherboard, nothing at all. I'm ready to power supply. As you may see, this one is fully dead. I tried to swap the power supplies from this box and nothing happened. Took the power supply from this one, installed in the second box which today just came, and it's working. So power supply is not the issue. It's trying to loop boot because probably don't want to. So this is fine. And this is the same box from the last video. Now I need to make from those two one working because I really need this server box. I do really need it. So the motherboard is dead, and as I told you before, the difference is between this one, that this one had heartbeat lights. They're located on the controller, and the second one is over there, if you can see it. But if I attach anything to that, there's nothing happens at all. No heartbeat light, nothing at all. This one just normal. Oh, I forgot something to do. Give me a sec. I forgot to reattach the fans. And it didn't complain. What? How? Why? So as you may see, the heartbeat light, if the server is operational and is fully working. Let me put the cover on. Now the fans are inside. And why it didn't complain? That's interesting. Picking up the power supply. Putting it in. Switching on one supply. Off. Inserting it here. Nothing. No light. Power supply is green. So the motherboard is totally dead. And the replacement is now booting up. As I told you before, sorry for the mess, I didn't plan to record it all. Focus. The build is quite old. Need to upgrade it. I've switched to the legacy boot because I put my hard drives there, which should supposed to have some operating system to upgrade. Come on, damn it, you stupid phone. Focus. So it should have. Yeah, I know, don't complain about it. Totally dead. HP DL380 generation 9. The best part, that was in offline. It was off in standby mode and it died. How? No, just upgrades, upgrades and upgrades.